Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to spray paint this. So you can see it's a little table that I've had in my bedroom as a side table, and I'm going to paint the silver and possibly add some mirror, and I'm going to use this in the living room in place of what I had a little end table, because the end table actually fell apart. The legs were coming off, and so I just basically threw it out. And so I'm going to use this until I find another better piece of furniture. Okay, so now this is pretty much dry, and so now I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to flip it over and try to add mirrors on the underneath, and I'm hoping that this will work. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over like this. So at the last minute, I've decided that I did not like the edges to this table, and so I decided to put some type of gems just going around it to cover. I don't like that space in between, so I'm going to go ahead and do these. They're self-adhesive. I'm going to cut them to place, and then I will show you when I'm done. It's very simple. Okay, so I redid this one a little bit. I ended up putting on some bling. Let me show you a close-up. I ended up putting on some bling wrap around the mirrors because I didn't like the gap that was there in between, and so I just thought it would look better, a little bit more finished off, and it does. You know, like I said, it's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's cute. It's all I have right now, so I just wanted to fix that up because I really just wanted an area to put the lamp, because I need lighting in this area, and that's my problem. So this is the finished look. Do it on this side. You can see it a little bit better. You know, the things with these is annoying is you got to be super patient, because if you touch that silver at all, it leaves marks. And I know I left a couple of marks, but I just can't go over it again. So this is as good as it gets. Do you guys let me know what you think about this DIY. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again.